Let's check these ribs first. Oh, there's 1, 2, 3. Girl, what have you been doing? All right, deep breath, right? Deep breath. All the way out. Good. Oh, yes, good job. And then after this video, she's gonna cut my hair and we're gonna do another YouTube. No, I'm just kidding. Deep breath. All the way out. Awesome. Hello. Straight this, bend this, this. Cool. Deep breath. All the way out. You're doing awesome. Nice. Again, because of the whiplash, her neck, upper back, and ribs are out. And again, work related. At work, she's standing up all day too. But she's doing a lot better when she started.